Akidah Akhlak. Why do we learn about Asmaul Husna? First, only Allah blessing belong, so pleased with Him by mentioning the name of Asmaul Husna. The second is because Allah Asmaul Husna is praying. Third, in order memorize of Asmaul Husna. 2. Why do we have to multiply reading zikir? First, by reading zikir, the heart will be calm. 2. By reading a lot of zikir, we will get Allah's forgiveness. 3. To add our reward. Number 3. Why we may not lie to the others. 1. Because can become hypocrites people. Second, because our hearts always feel sad. 3. Did not get belief from other people. 4th, because can cause fitnah. 4. Why must we control our action and our spoken? First, every word and our action will be accounted to God. Second, silence is worship without a word, and silence is generally without any hassle. Third, because speaking badly will hurt others. Number 5. Safa likes to read books. Every time he comes home from school, he always reads his textbook, so he can do his exam equation quickly and correctly. While Riza is lazy to read books, his free times is only used for playing games, so he had difficulty in doing his exam question. Compare that to child, give conclusion. Safa a good child. Safa has a broad insight because she likes to read books. The verse above shows how Allah has prioritized the obligation to read for His servants, because by reading every human being can understand and learn something he doesn't know. Risa is bad child because she lazy to read. Risa being a stupid child. Risa is one example of a child who does not carry out God's commands to read. The conclusion is we must be people who like to read, because reading likes can open our horizons and can carry out God's commands to read frequently. 5. Why we are recommended to say Hamdalah after doing something. First, Hamdalah is one of Toibah sentence. When we say it every time, we will get reward from Allah. Second, so that our activities are worth worship. Third, so that our activities become a blessing. 6. Why must we obey the rules of the school? First, when we are obey the rules in the school, we are become clever student. Second, in order become smart student. Third, to be disciplined student. 7. Regulations are made so that life is more orderly and disciplined. Everywhere there are rules that must be obeyed. Make rules at home. Rules at home. First, study hard. Second, perform prayer on time. Third, help two parents. Fourth, read Al-Quran after perform prayer Maghrib. Fifth, tidy up and clean the bed after waking up. Sixth, helping mothers in homework such as cleaning the house, washing dishes, and washing their own clothes. 8. Make the rule of study at school in order to become disciplined students. First, come to school on time and wearing complete uniform. Second, listen to teacher when explain the material. Third, don't make noise when study and doing jobs. Fourth, don't running in the school area. Fifth, don't cheating when doing tests. 6. Keep clean the class and keep harmony with friends. 7th, tidy the tools of study and tidy the book. 9. Make playing rules so that you always get along well when playing. First, so that in order to play and learn harmony, they must have mutual respect to friends. Second, always obey the rules of the game that have been agreed upon. Third, trying to respect the work of others. Fourth, don't feel yourself the smartest, most correct. Fifth, avoid suuzon. 6. Always husnudons to others. Number 10. In Islam there are terms of birrul walidain and ukukul walidain. Compare the two terms and give the conclusion. Birrul walidain is child who are devoted to both parents and love to the parents, speak politely, and obey his advice. Ukukul walidain is the child not politely to parents, not obey to parents, and not help the parents. Conclusion. Rasulullah SAW said, old people are the most central door to heaven. If you want, then watch the door or take care of it. Narrated by Tirmidhi and Ibnu Majah. We must compete to get the blessing of parents, because the blessing of parents is God's blessing too. Exercise 1. Construct yourself to be disciplined student. 2. Why must we obey and respect to our parents? 3. Why must we read Toibah sentence every time? 4. How are your reward in order can be birrul walidain?